How do the world's most scalable business models expand across the globe with zero stress? While traditional owners burn out from daily work, most operators rely entirely on a raw human hustle. Here is a beginner's guide to systems thinking and operational scaling. To unlock true financial freedom, you must look beyond your immediate daily routine. Let's break down a simple real world comparison. Imagine eating at a busy neighborhood restaurant. The food tastes excellent, but the entire workspace is run by a tired owner working completely from raw memory. This creates a fragile hero dependency. The head chef manually approves every plate, takes the cash, and yells out food orders across the stations. The company relies entirely on one person. Suddenly, 50 hungry customers walk in at the exact same moment. The manual kitchen hits a wall, orders vanish, and the food burns. Because it lacks structured rules, the business hits a hard growth ceiling. If the owner gets sick, the company dies. Now let's observe how the smart 1% build corporate empires. Look at the automated factory model used by global franchises. They completely eliminate the human hustle trap. Every single workstation runs on a fixed playbook, a simple, written 5-minute step by step checklist that anyone can follow. Orders glide automatically down a structured pipeline from front intake directly to the assembly line. The business handles 500 customers as calmly as it handles 5 because the process architecture absorbs the weight, not the worker. This baseline shift requires a core framework called system thinking. It is the science of moving your focus from individual parts to the entire whole. The traditional mindset blames a single employee when a mistake happens. The system's mindset fixes the broken workflow architecture that permitted the mistake to occur. Good people fail in bad systems. Stop managing people, start managing processes. To optimize your personal workflow, look at your career or agency as a connected network of plumbing pipes carrying clients and cash. The ultimate mistake is spending capital to make your intake pipe wider using marketing, while your output delivery valve is completely clogged. Find the single slowest constraint in your daily execution, patch that leak first, and watch your whole engine accelerate. Let's look at the actual efficiency math behind background automation. Imagine 10 operation task blocks inside your work week. Under an automated business model, software scripts automatically handle your repetitive data tasks for $0 an hour. Across 9 out of 10 blocks, human friction drops to absolute zero. A manual business, however, wastes over 1400 human hours a year copy pasting client spreadsheet rows. Free up your humans from low value repetition so they can focus entirely on high value creative strategy. To build a frictionless empire today, follow step number 1. Build your standard operating procedures. If you cannot write it out as a clear step, you do not own a system. Document the exact sequence of clicks required to finish common tasks, making it simple enough for an outsider to copy. Step number 2. Delegate repetition to software. Never do manually what code can execute for free. Use background web triggers to link your calendars, invoice databases, and customer emails automatically while you sleep. You can deploy 3 modern operator plays today. First, build a content assembly line using unaltering layout templates and batch recording windows to eliminate burnout. Second, deploy automated client intake forms to entirely bypass administrative scheduling emails. Third, spend 30 minutes every Sunday auditing your pipeline to patch any operational friction leaks. Stop working inside your life like a tired employee. Start working on your life like a systems engineer. Drop a comment identifying the biggest bottleneck in your current business and subscribe to the Smart Thinker Club to automate your empire.